Greetings. Welcome to our official YouTube channel Petaga Technologies. In this video, we will teach you how to create combo charts or combination charts in Power BI. Combination charts let you display different types of data in different ways on the same chart. You may display columns, lines, areas, and steps all on the same combination chart. Use them to visually highlight the differences between different sets of data. Combination charts are a good choice if you want to make a chart with a study that shows data in a different way than the main chart. For example, the main chart I have used here is a column chart showing completed task information, while the study is a line chart showing percentage of completed tasks compared to total tasks. Combo charts combine two or more chart types to make the data easy to understand. A combo chart has the following subtypes. It might be clustered column and line chart, or clustered column and line on secondary axis, or stacked area and clustered column, or custom combination. In this example, we used combination of clustered column and line chart. Let's have a look on our source data in Power BI desktop. In source data, we have three columns. First column contains month and respective quarters, and the quarters start from April and ends in March. In second column, we have completed task, and in third column, we have total task counts. We must create a new calculated column to get percentage of completed task. To create new calculated column, go to Above toolbar and select New Column. Now we have created a new calculated column and we will rename it to our convenient usage. We can see the calculated column and we have renamed it as completed percentage and applied calculation like completed task divided by total task, and change data type of calculated column as decimal and format as percentage. And we can see the new column which contains percentage of completed tasks compared to total task. Next, we will add an index column to sort our month column data in proper order to visualize data in combo charts. Now in Power Query, go to Toolbar and select Add Column. And below that we can see Index Column option. We will select it. Once you select Index Column option, new column has been created with the index number start from 0 and ends in 11. Now we will close and apply this Power Query editor. To sort the month column, we have to use Sort by Column option in Power BI Desktop. First, we will select a month column and select Sort by Column option in Above toolbar under the Column Tools tab. Once we select Sort by Column, we can see the list of available columns in our source data. From this list, we will select Index, so that month column will sort according to the index column numbers. By using this data, we will create a combination chart to visualize this data graphically. Now in Power BI, we can see our source data in right-hand side under the Field section. We have selected combo chart from visualization section and we dragged month column data from source and placed it in shared axis section and dragged completed task from source data and placed it in columns value and dragged completed percentage from source and placed it in line values. After placing all these things, now combo chart looks like this. In chart, we can see the completed task count in column chart and percentage of completed task in line chart. Now let's format this combo chart to visualize data in attractive way. First, we will change x-axis font size and font type. Here I have used text size as 12 and the font family as Siege Bold. Next, we will change minimum category width as 20, maximum size as 25% and inner padding as 40%. In data colors, change the color for completed percentage and default color. In data labels, change the color for data labels as per your wish. For completed task, we will change the color as pink rose and whatever color you want, you can select it. In shapes, we will select stroke width as 3 and we will switch on the show marker and select marker shape type and the size of that marker. After all these things, now final combo chart visual looks like this. If this video useful to you, then like this video and share this video with others. If you have any questions or you can share your opinion about this video in below comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, visit our official YouTube channel Petaga Technologies. To get notification, subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon.